Meaning of hast.
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 Hast. Hast is an archaic form of the verb have used in early modern English. It is the second-person singular present tense form of have, which means to own, possess, or hold. The word was commonly used in literature and spoken language during the Middle Ages and Renaissance period but has since fallen out of use in modern-day English. Understanding older forms of the English language can provide insight into the evolution of the language and help deepen our understanding of historical texts and documents.